To control curtains, shutter, or blinds using TIS keypads, first you need to select a keypad from the list and double-click it to open the programming window. At the Key Setting tab, you will see the buttons listed on the left side of the window. You can then configure the function of each button by selecting it and pressing the Command button. In the Easy Command section, select the command type. Choose Single Channel Light, then select the room and the motor channel you want this button to control. Next, set the intensity to 100%, which will open the motor. Selecting 0% will close the motor. When using single on-off mode, selecting 100% will allow the motor to open or close each time you press the button. Once you select all settings, press Config. At the bottom section, you will see the command with the module address and channel number. Press Save. To test the button, press it once to open the curtain and press it again to close it. To open the motor to a specific percentage, you can long press the button. Controlling old TIS motors. For older TIS motors, select Curtain Switch under Command Type. Then select the room and the curtain. Under Switch Status, choose On to open the curtain, Off to close the curtain, Stop to stop the curtain. Then press Config. You will see in the bottom section that the configuration addresses have been updated. Old TIS motors require 2 buttons on the keypad. One button for open and stop. Another button for close and stop. Repeat the same steps to configure any additional buttons as needed. Some keypads include a dedicated curtain and motor page that allows you to control and configure up to 4 motors. This feature is supported by LCD keypads such as Titania and Luna. If you open Luna configuration, for example, go to the curtain section to configure any of the 4 available motors. Type the curtain name, comment, that will appear on the LCD, then select the curtain number, 1 to 4, you want to configure. You can choose to show or hide the curtain on the LCD using curtain status. Under Curtain Type, select your motor model and press Search to find it. A list of available motors matching that type will appear. Select the room and the specific curtain from the list, then press OK. The address will be filled in automatically. You can also manually change the address if needed, depending on your motor type and addressing scheme. Finally, press Save. The curtain type options are Curtain Switch Old TS Motor, used to control older M3 TIS curtain motors. Blinds TM120, used to control TIS bus or B blinds. Motor with position feedback, used to control new TIS motors or third-party motors linked to TIS relays with virtual channel position feedback. TIS relays shutter, used to control third-party shutters linked to TIS relays without position feedback. Third-party serial motor, used to control third-party motors by ASCII or hexadecimal commands, with the help of TIS RS-232 or RS-485 module. To test the motor page on the Luna keypad, press the menu button, then select Motor. The curtain control pages will open, allowing you to operate your motors.